Yeah, welcome back. Boy Yadi, back again. Right? Just do another video. But this time I'm gonna try switching it up a bit, incorporating this over here, the plan. See how I can practice on it. Just do some back testing. Alright, go back in the candles, see what the trade plan look like being executed. I'm gonna try practicing some of the management side to it. I am on TradingView doing the using the replay tool. So probably won't be able to specifically enter like the percentage base, but I'll just set up the trades and see how they run. I'm gonna try to see if I can manage them with the rules, the 1 to 1 hour break even, the trail stops 1 to 2, and like the power cells 1 to 3. See how that looks. And then every entry I take, it's like split into two entries. One of them point 0.5 off the full block, the other one the 50% off the block, right? And then going into it, I'm gonna see if the trade plan itself, in terms of finding the trade ideas, I'm gonna do all of it from monthly, weekly, daily candles, right? Kind of using the rule sets, outlined right here. But I ain't wasting too much time. I'm gonna get right into that. All right, pull up trading view, boom, whoop whoop. All right, I'm gonna put this down a bit, kind of just make it random. Replay, does it record it? Nah, I bet. I'll just bring it to just any monthly candle. So, all right, let's see. So I mean, might even work over here. All right, so this broke to the bottom side. All right, so let's see. I'll treat this as a bearish candle, targeting this low. Look like it grabbed liquidity from the highs and then broke down. And I'm gonna treat this high as protected. All right. Go to the weekly. That's exactly what I'm seeing. The structure break right here. The structure break. All right. The target where we going. I mean, this is the last weekly candle right here, the up one. No clear price action here. So once the weekly candle does go bearish, though, I should get an entry. I'll try going to the daily. See what that looks like. What can I find on the daily? At this point, I'll just wait for a week to go bearish, honestly. So yeah, probably from somewhere up here. That's the whole buying to sell anyways. So I'm just keep it going. All right, boom. I mean, some easy stuff here. So weekly just broke right here. All right, we swept highs right here. That was good. Swept highs. Oh, we didn't take out this low yet though, but might be a bit preemptive. That's fine. I'll go to the daily. All right, so we swept highs. Look like we're running towards lows. Filling in all of this. The inefficient candle being this one. All right, and let's see. Again, the risk parameters does help. It encourages to take positions anyway. So I'm gonna mark off the 50% being right here. I'm gonna put two trades up. This one stops above the high, and I'll bring this one close in. And then a second one, entry here stops above the high, right? So if they both run to the level they should, this one gets a 1 to 3, this one gets pretty sure like a 1 to 6 exactly. So I'll move this over. I mean, the math here would be, let's see, because it's 1% per trade. Take this off. 1% per trade. Um, let's split that. Split risk. Split risk to 0.5% and zero point 0.5, right, on both entries. So if both get stopped out, you lose 1%, which is the original risk anyways. If both get tagged in, kind of get some nice RRs out of both of them. If only one gets tapped in, which is this one, then you understand we only get the 1 to 3 off the 0.5%, which is just 1.5% versus if. So I'll actually do that math. So if one trade hits, if first trade hits, let's say first trade hits, it's going to be equal to 1 to 3, 1 to 3 RR or 1.5% gain, right? And if second trade hits, it's going to be 1 to 1 to 6, right? 1 to 6 RR, which is zero point 0.5 times to 6 is what, 3% gain. It's 3% gain. So if both hit, you're getting a solid 4.5% overall running to the target. If only one hits, you see the math right here set up. So I'll kind of just leave this. I'll leave this right above. It's good right here. Again, we're just trying to see how we can manage risk and manage these trades properly. And I'll see how I can, if it does tag in, how I can actually go about managing the opportunity itself. So I'm gonna just do some double checking real quick. We broke down, filled the missing price, broke once, came back up, broke twice, swept liquidity. There's no reason for this not to be tagged in, so I'll play it. Again, these are daily entries anyway, so I'll go into the 4 hour. They don't need to be here. Let's see what this entry looks like. So this entry is on the actual 4 hour order block. This one. So that's good. I'll actually play from the 4 hour. I'll play from the 4 hour. Have it go. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So first trade gets hit. I'll move this over just to the left. Did it? I'll beat some. Did it? Oh, whatever. This one got hit. So I'll put this one in right here. It should have a line in it. You'll see. It's whatever. So this one got hit. Second one, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure, but that's fine. So we're in the first one. So the one that will give us, the 1.5% gain. Honestly, let's see. Okay, bet. So we're in both. Oh, oh, uh-oh. All right. Uh-oh. So both stop loss hit 1%. That's minus 1%. Let's see. -1. -1% right here. And I want to see the Y. Let's see. We'll go back out in the daily. Equal highs in here swept. I don't know how far it's going up. Get these out of the way and just keep tracking it. So that's fine. That's -1. Mm. Mm. Go to the weekly real quick. Okay. So I'll wait for another weekly candle to break bearish to find another order block to sell off of. All right, bet. So risk plan stays the same. I'll delete. Oh, now leave those there. That's fine. -1 right here on both of those. That's fine. Okay. So we're up in the block now. So this is from the buying to sell that brought price down. So that's fair. On the weekly, we just broke this low right here. So if I go on a daily, there should be a block to be sold from. All right, sweep, boom. Okay. With the candle, oh, let's see. So for this one, I'm just take the 50% of this candle altogether. That's the buying to sell candle, right? Okay. So the break happened here. I'm just looking at intraday to see how it looks. Can take this sell off this block. Okay. Tell you what. So I'll keep it simple. Entry here stops above the actual high, right? Because structure broke down from here, low to high first. But equal highs being swept and brought lower, coming back up and breaking down again. So first break, second break, that's a downtrend as far as I'm concerned. With Let's see. Is this filled in? Yeah, this block filled in. Probably just gonna use this one. So for this, I would want to be using the 4 hour to actually like get a precise entry, right? Because there's not clear price action here. But anyways, it's 50% off the buying to sell candle, which is this one. Stops above the high, and I'll put, let's see, the target towards the low as we're still within this range. All right, so this is a 1 to 4 right here. Just for the sake of this, what I'll do is set up a trade at that block as well with a missing price and put stops above here. This entry, if Ran runs 1 to 6, right? I'll put this over. I'll put this one over here. So this entry is the 50% of the daily block. This one being off the 4 hour block, stops above the high, this 4 hour block right here, right? So I'll play this out. Again, let's see, I can probably do some more math here. This one's a 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 RR, I'll do 0.5. Let's see, risking 0.5% on this one, right? Risking 0.5% should give me 2%, right? 2% gain. While the second one is a 1 to 6, I believe. Something like that. 1 to 6. 1 to 6 RR risking 0.5. Right. That would give me 3. Correct? Yeah. That'll give me 3%. So a total of 5% gain. If both get tapped in, you kind of see how the math goes. So I'll just leave that there. Put these entries in. Once they get tapped in, I can move to the daily and have them play out. But I'm just keep playing it from here. All right. Both of those are tapped in right now. Let's see. What are we doing? All right, so we're creating liquidity, sweeping liquidity. Let's see here. Boom. Let's drag this across just to get the stop loss to be shown. Keep going. Oh, stop loss hit. It was a weekly again. Oh yeah, so weekly goes bearish. Weekly goes bullish. Okay. 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 So let's see. That's fine. That's okay. Let's go back to monthly. That's the issue. The monthly candles are breaking bullish. Okay. So that's a quick rundown and everything. Hey man, I didn't say I was gonna come out here winning. I came out here swinging. All right. So for now, I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna put this video up regardless. See what I can do better. I can already tell that being on the lower time frame, I should have been over here watching the monthly breaks, and I'll be able to actually see what's going on. Right? Exactly. So monthly breaks will be telling me that I'm looking for buys instead of sells. So I can see why that would, position will be getting ran and getting positions off the weekly, all of that. So, hey, man, just a quick video. Ain't not much to it. I like it. Put these back on. I'm gonna see how many more of these I can do. I want to keep practicing like everything here put together, but that's the goal, man. Good looks. I appreciate y'all time. Probably wasn't what y'all was expecting, but again, I'm just sharing information that's going through technique and practicing. All right, so appreciate y'all time, man. Thanks for tapping in. If you did, you stick around. You're a real one. Respect you. Love you. Y'all have a good night. Bet.